At 62, my mother couldn't remember my name. 3 months later, she was beating me at chess. The difference? A vitamin her doctor never mentioned. And if you're over 60, there's an 80% chance you're deficient in it right now. I'm going to show you exactly what happens inside your body after 60 when this one vitamin drops too low. More importantly, you're going to discover the simple protocol that could restore your mental clarity, boost your energy, and potentially add years of independence to your life. But here's what makes this urgent. Your brain is shrinking by 0.5% every year after 60. But this vitamin can slow that process by up to 53%. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly what to do starting today. The vitamin is B12. But before you click away thinking you've heard this before, what I'm about to show you will completely change how you understand what's happening in your body right now. After 60, your stomach produces 40 to 60% less stomach acid. Without enough acid, you can't extract B12 from food anymore. It's like having a car with no gas, even though the tank is full. Here's what's actually happening inside you. Your nerves are slowly losing their protective coating. Think of it like electrical wires losing their insulation. Messages from your brain start misfiring. Balance problems? Memory lapses? That brain fog everyone talks about? This is why your red blood cells are becoming malformed. They can't carry oxygen properly. You feel exhausted, but doctors tell you it's just aging. It's not. Your DNA can't repair itself correctly. Every cell in your body depends on B12 to replicate properly. Without it, you're aging faster at the cellular level. And here's the part that breaks my heart. Most doctors don't test for this until there's already permanent damage. Now, I want you to pay very close attention to these signs. How many of these are you experiencing? You forget words mid-sentence. Not occasionally. Regularly. You feel tired even after a full night's sleep. Your hands or feet tingle or feel numb. You feel dizzy when you stand up too quickly. You've become more irritable or depressed without knowing why. Your balance isn't what it used to be. If you're nodding your head to 2 or more of these, here's what you need to understand. These aren't signs that you're getting old. These are signs your cells are starving for B12. And here's the transformation waiting for you. Within 3 to 6 weeks of correcting this deficiency, people report their fog lifting, their energy returning, and their confidence coming back. One woman told me she felt like she came back to life. But here's where most people make a critical mistake. They go to the pharmacy, buy B12 supplements, and wonder why nothing changes. Let me tell you why that fails. The form matters more than the dose. Most supplements use cyanocobalamin, the cheapest form. Your body has to convert it, and after 60, you're not efficient at that conversion anymore. The delivery method is everything. Swallowing a pill requires the same stomach acid you're already lacking. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Here's the protocol that actually works. Step 1. Get tested. Ask for a methylmalonic acid test. It's more accurate than standard B12 tests. Step 2. Use methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin. These are the active forms your body can use immediately. Step 3. Choose sublingual tablets, patches, or sprays. These bypass your stomach completely. Step 4. The dose matters. After 60, you need 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily, not the 2.4 micrograms minimum you'll see on most bottles. This is the exact protocol that brought my mother back. 3 months in, she wasn't just remembering names. She was planning trips, reading novels, living fully again. Now let me tell you something most doctors won't mention because they don't learn this in medical school. Your gut bacteria produce some B12. But here's the problem. Every time you take antibiotics, every time you take acid reflux medication, every time you use certain diabetes drugs, you're destroying these bacteria and blocking B12 absorption. If you're on metformin for diabetes, you could be losing 30% of your B12. If you take proton pump inhibitors for heartburn, your absorption drops by 65%. And nobody tells you this. But here's what happens when you get this right. Your mitochondria, the power plants in every cell, suddenly have the fuel they need. Your energy doesn't just improve. It transforms. Your myelin sheaths rebuild. Those nerve signals start firing correctly again. Your mind clears. Your methylation cycle starts working. This is the process that controls everything from your mood to your DNA repair. This isn't just about feeling better. This is about preserving your independence, your dignity, your future self. So here's exactly what you do tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, call your doctor's office. Don't ask for a regular B12 test. Specifically, request methylmalonic acid and homocysteine levels. Write this down. This week, start a sublingual methylcobalamin supplement, 1,000 micrograms daily after counseling your doctor. Take it under your tongue and let it dissolve completely. Within 2 weeks, you should notice sleep improving first, then energy, then mental clarity. At 3 months, get retested. You want your levels above 500 picograms per milliliter, not just above 200, which is the normal threshold that's far too low. And here's your bonus. Eat more eggs, salmon, and nutritional yeast. But remember, after 60, food alone won't be enough. You need supplementation. I'm putting a complete resource guide in the description below with specific brands I trust, the exact tests to request, and a symptom tracker so you can monitor your progress. Here's what I want you to understand. This isn't about taking more pills. This is about giving your body what it's desperately missing so you can live the next chapter of your life fully present, fully capable, fully you. My mother just turned 67. Last month, she started volunteering at the library, something she loves. She's planning a trip to see her grandchildren next month. 3 years ago, we were discussing memory care facilities. That transformation is waiting for you. Now, if you found this valuable, I need you to do something. Share this video with someone over 60 who you love. This information could change their life. And drop a comment below. Tell me, are you experiencing any of these symptoms? Have you had your B12 checked? Let's start a conversation. Click here to make sure you don't miss it. Your future self will thank you for watching today.